So officially, this is now the unboxing of the awaited action cam. So I purchased this one from Shopee via the official DJI store, and it is the DJI OSMO action. So at first I was able to inquire from the official DJI store that this is a refurbished unit. So as what they say as refurbished means that not refurbished as a repair unit, but rather a unit that was being sold to Europe but did not sell on those areas, so they brought it to the Philippines. So it's anyway it's a new or brand new unit, so it's still wrapped in plastic, so no sign of damage. uh, no here. So let's do the unboxing and let's take a look at the inside. So as you can see, it's still sealed here. Okay. So this is now the camera. As you can see, it's really a brand new unit. It's a long wait, but it's here. So these are the things inside the camera. First, the manuals here, the USB type C cable, the handheld screw for the mounting. This one is the flat mount. This one is a curved mount which we can use for helmet attachment, I think. And the other one is this one, the battery case. So here is the battery here. And you can also put in here your micro SD card. And lastly, the camera. So it's not refurbished really, but a brand new action camera. It's an Osmo action camera. So it comes along with a holder here. Hold this one, and the camera is here. So comparing it to cell phone, so this is how small this action camera is. Very small. So let's try to put in the battery for on previous reviews, it says that the battery needs to be charged first. So to lock, you must see to it that you won't see the orange one here, same as this one. So you have to push it nicely, so no more orange. And let's check if the battery is okay. So this one is the power button. Power button. Oh, this one is the display power button. The microphone. Another microphone slot here. And on this side is the micro SD slot. And the micro SD slot and the Type C USB cable charger. So for the SD card, I purchased this Lexar Professional micro SD card. It's a 128 gigabit, which is required to be a V30 A2 class 10 SD card, which read and write speeds of 100 Mbps and 90 Mbps here. So so this one gives you 4K resolution. This one supports a 4K resolution. So let's open this up, and here is the micro SD card. So comes with it is the reader. So this one supposedly here. Push and lock. 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 Let's not try to remove this one. It will still look brand new. Okay. So it won't turn on, so need to charge the battery. And get back to you later. So after charging a DJI OSMO action camera, the next best thing to do is you need to go through the firmware upgrade. So let me just open my app here, which is the DJI OSMO app. And turn on my device. Okay, you need to accept. Agree. us to check if the update version of the firmware. Let's turn off the device. Press and hold down. And turn it back on. So this is over here, go to settings and check on the about page. So the firmware version is now 1.100.40751. That's about it. So let me end this video by using the DJI OSMO action. So in the next video we'll expose this camera onto various events. Let's see and what this camera has to offer. Till the next video.